Hello everyone, it is me again on this RPG for a quick tutorial on how to make your own Bukkit server. Lots of people on my own server has been asking how to do that, so here's a tutorial for you guys. First of all, go to your desktop here, we'll make a new folder. You can choose the name of your folder at your own. I'm going to call it test for now. In caption letters, didn't mean to do that. Whatever. Then it's empty. Right, there you go. To the link. Normally, link will be in the description for this. Yeah. You go to this field. You see that. You scroll down till you see alternate method. There's also easiest methods, but then you can't use plugins. So without plugins, ain't working. Okay. And there you go. Here, alternate method. Download Craftbook latest recommended build. If you click on it, you get a file like this. I should have my desktop here. There we go. We'll call Craft Buckets 001 snapshot. I have lots of them, and be sure it is called like this, because if it has another name, it will not work. You put it in this folder, your empty folder. Yeah, it did. No, it's in my folder now. You see it? Okay. Then we go new again. We make a new text document. In the text document, we're gonna call it run. Attention here, call it run. Now we're gonna start the hardest part of this. So we have a run. Then we have two codes actually, two codes, and that has to do with our Java. You need to have Java, of course, and you need to know which version of Java you have. Do you have version 6? Then you have to copy this code here. Yeah? Do you have version 7 beta? 7 beta. You copy this code. I only have, I'm gonna be fair, I only have Java 6. So what I do is, I copy this all. Here I go. And I put it in here. So yeah, we thought, yes, it's done. No, not yet. Now we need to know your computer. Yeah, your computer machine. Is it 64 bits or is it 32 bits? Yeah, you need to know that. Two of them. 64, 32. If it is in 64, then you need to do something extra. First, you go to church. You type in Java. You will see something like this here. It will say Java 32 bits with me. It could also be 64 bits. It's changed from computer to computer. But it says 32 bits to me. And if your Java is 32 bits and you're running a 64-bit computer, you need to change something. You need to change this thing into this thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy it. Alright. Now I'm gonna look for this thing here. You see that? Alright. I'm gonna delete it, but not take the caption, because there's a caption before that. Watch out. There we go. Now do this if your Java is 64-bit or your computer is 32 bits. So watch out. Only do it if it's need to. You can also, if you don't understand it, you just first try it with this code, and then if it ain't working, try it with this code. And you can also try to change from Java version 6 to Java version 7. Blah. Yeah, okay. So that's the code. If you give the code, you're gonna go save as, not save, save as, and you're gonna run .bat. You're gonna save as run.bat, not save it as run, because then you have a big problem. Like, you're gonna save it. It's saved here as run.bat. I see the code here. Then we have everything done. We don't need internet anymore. Maybe you need it for watching this video. But then we click on this thing here. It will now start to generate all files in here. You see it? All the files you need. Now it's preparing the area of the world here. still generating, and that's now what you have. Now, first, before you want your server working, I recommend to get Hamachi. Just download Hamachi down below. Wait, I will be right back when I download Hamachi. Alright, I'm back and I downloaded it. It's here. This is my Hamachi. Normally, you won't see this. This is your basically Hamachi if you downloaded it. And then you go to network, make a new network. You can choose your own name and your own password for this network. So what we told now is test007 if it's not taken. Password gonna be 123. Make it. Alright. No, the name is already in use. So I'm gonna try test07 blah. Make it. And this is now our network. See, there's nobody in it yet. Oh, look at that. Nobody in it yet. You still can invite people to it by giving them the name of the network and the password. The password is 123, remember? So, yeah, and then people can join. But how do they join? Yeah, good question. How do they join my server? Well, you first go to server. Here you go, server. And then you see here something called server IP. Yeah, it needs to be your Hamachi IP. So go to Hamachi, declare it. You will see, yeah, copy your IP address. It will say also. Easiest way, you see here an IP address. Not this, no. This IP address. It will copy it for you. Go to server here, and we just paste it. Oh, come on. Alright, paste it. See, that's our IP for me. So if it's your IP, just put your IP and not my IP. And then we save it. Just save it. It's the same. Yes. Okay. Now we save it, and now you need to reopen it. Just close it, reopen it. Alright. Alright, wait, because I already have on a server. I will need to close it for a minute. Sorry. Okay. You run it, because you can't run two servers at a time. Then we can play Minecraft. Come on. So it's not gonna rain the world actually for me. Okay. See here it's almost done. The multiplayer, this might be already sorted in. This needs to be your IP if you want to play it, okay? Now you also need to be in the Hamachi, don't forget it. And then it needs to say done first. Oh my god. Yeah, this takes a while the first time, but after the world get loaded and people try it out, it will actually be loaded in like a minute. Alright? Done, it says. Okay, normally it will connect you, but I'm not premium. Why? Because I didn't buy the game. So if you buy the game, it will work fine. Okay, so that's basically it today. I showed you how to make your own Bukkit server. If you leave the time, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I say bye.